Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the GeoCall app and granting the required permissions so the app can identify and block calls. Once done, make sure your GeoSIM is active and the app is updated to the latest version. That ensures the spam database syncs correctly. Now go straight to the app menu, tap Settings, and choose Call Settings. This first step prepares the app to monitor incoming numbers and apply blocking rules immediately. Next, enable automatic spam detection and caller ID so the app flags suspicious numbers before you answer. This reduces interruptions. Also activate the option to block unknown or private numbers if you rarely expect such calls. Then open the blocklist section and add any persistent spam numbers manually. This ensures repeat offenders never ring your phone. If available, sync with Geo's central spam database. Finally, fine-tune by reviewing recent call history and unblocking any legitimate contacts that were misclassified. This keeps your phone usable. If blocking stops working, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to refresh permissions and data. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't interfering with notifications. If problems persist, export the call logs and contact Geo support for assistance. Provide timestamps and numbers so they can update their spam filters and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.